a tiny gut sensor to better understand anxiety, mood, and digestive health. Researchers have found a way to listen in real time to our second brain, the one in the gut, with a microsensor thinner than hair. Follow me until the end because I will explain why this technology can change the way we understand anxiety, mood, and digestive diseases. A team at the University of Cambridge, together with the Thayer School of Engineering of Dartmouth, has developed a soft and flexible implant that sits between the walls of the intestine and records the electric activity of the enteric nervous systems. Because until now, these signals were almost impossible to measure in real conditions because experiments were done under anesthesia and the intestine is always moving. This matters because for years, clinical studies have linked the gut-brain axis to disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, anxiety, depression, and Parkinson's disease. Here in the United States, several research centers work on microbiota and mood, but often with incorrect data. Questionnaires, blood tests, stool samples. But with the sensors like these, we can finally measure continuously how the second brain reacts to drugs, diet, and stress. For people with colitis, Crohn disease, or gastroparesis, it could become a tool to personalize treatment instead of relying on trial and error. A continuous trace of gut activity is a new and very sensitive type of health information. And here in the United States, the debate on who owns health data is already intense with smartwatches and apps. Because if technologies like these are used with clear rules and in the intent of patients, they can help us to understand how much our mental well-being depends on the body and open a new season of more precise and less guess-based medicine.